Hello guys, today we are going to try to fix this J3 2017 or else called J3 Pro, I think. As you see, the screen is missing, the mid frame is bent, so it needs a new one. Let's begin by cleaning these two parts which are still remained. Let's use this kind of spray which is advertised to remove the glue or to soften it. Get a plastic thingy and try to clean it. Now we need to remove the steam tray. And get a guitar pick to go inside the phone. Now we are inside the phone and we need to disconnect the battery. Get again the screwdriver, disconnect this ribbon cable and remove two black screws, one here and one here. After removing them, we can remove the main board from the mid frame. Use again some adhesive remover to soften the adhesive on the battery. We can remove the battery. Place it inside. And we got a little problem. The front flashlight of this phone is damaged, but I don't think we need it. I have a similar phone to this and I never used the frontal flashlight. Now let's remove the speaker, remove the vibration motor, let's remove the two front buttons, the big home button. I think this is the back button. The headphone jack together with this tiny microphone need to be also removed and transferred to the other frame. And this frame is going to the garbage. This one is a bit dent. I think this is called the chassis. We might need to remove these buttons because I only have the gold color for this type of phone. I need to use a golden frame and a golden mid frame. So I have cleaned the mid frame as much as I could. Now we need to place it down and place the main board on it. And put back the two screws. Now let's place the battery. And connect it. Now we need to transfer our speaker from the old frame to the new one. Put it back together. Before we place the screws in, let's test it before with our new screen. Try to power it on. It should power on. Let's make some tests and see if our phone is okay. This is a menu from for Samsung phones. Let's test vibration. It's okay. Touch. This is more from testing our new screen, if the touch is okay or not, because this is not the original screen, it's a Chinese one, but I think it's quite good. And it's okay. The receiver or the calling speaker, it's okay. The main speaker, it's okay. Sub keys, okay, okay, okay. Let's okay, okay. Okay, I think everything is okay. Everything should be okay. Now we need to turn it off. After vibrating, it's turned off. Carefully remove the screen. Let's place it back and put all the necessary screws in. Well, after I checked again this frame, I can see this is bent and is unusable. If you see here, and you see here, if you check this, compared to this, this is flushed, the plastic is flushed with metal. This one is like 1 millimeter or a bit more, so this frame is no good. And we moved back to another black frame with a black body, and the screen will be again will be gold. Now we are ready to remove this plastic, and we need to put some adhesive. I need to add a bit of the transparent glue on this side, both sides, so because the adhesion on the screen is not that good, we need a bit of it. Now let's put our new screen carefully. And we need to put this piece of plastic in it. Get a piece of paper and remove this adhesive. And turn it on so everything is okay. Now we can use these kinds of clamp, which are a bit hard. You can use a better one from Jianli, I think, which are some small ones. They are way better, but this is what I have in hand. So this is what I'm going to use. Thanks Samsung for the new firmware. Just try to make a quick test. Let's see. Sub keys. Everything looks good, so I think everything is okay. Now we need to let it settle for around 1 hour, I think, and we will be back.